We are technically down here, St. Augustine, St. John's. This is a brand new home that got installed, all new construction, and wanted to show you an easy way to upgrade your backyard. Hey guys, Jason Duffney here with Earthworks. Welcome back to another awesome showcase project we've got for you. To show you guys maybe what you can do if you do have home builder that you just got done with construction. Almost always they're the most basic landscapes on the outside. So we want to take this opportunity to go ahead and show you guys an awesome Pondless Waterfall that Jeff, our sales guy, and Noah have started. So follow me on back and I'll show you guys. So what do you guys think? Like I said, we're in this neighborhood, new neighborhood. Easy way to upgrade a backyard if you have a new home construction, even existing, of course. But I think Noah and Jeff, got to give all credit to Jeff for the design, Noah for the implementation on this beautiful water feature. So this is what we call a pondless waterfall. For anybody that's never watched our channel before, this is a pondless waterfall. Not a pond, but a pondless waterfall. It's a very easy install, the easiest thing to take care of out there. It's the closest thing to low, like no maintenance when it comes to water features. But I think they did an amazing job. So you've got your standard effect pondless waterfall going on here with the different drops and stuff. And then a little added flair, I'm guessing between Jeff and the homeowner, what happened is they were talking about creating a little extra pop. And what they did beautifully is install this spillway bowl. So this is an Aquascape spillway bowl, easy addition to pretty much any type of water feature. And what I love the most about it is the way Noah has it hitting the body of water instead of rocks. It creates this kind of nice little deep churning sound. And so whether it's even recognized or not, which I think Noah knows and recognizes, is you're creating this orchestra of sounds. So you basically have that water dropping in this deep sound. Then you've got these other cascades, wide, narrow, falling into gravel or rock, creating high-pitched sounds, creating this really cool effect. And right now, it's on a nice low tranquil setting. I'm going to imagine and guess that that's very set up for these guys. The homeowners here might be very morning people, cup of coffee type thing, where they want to hang out, have a nice quiet, because this has not been installed, I don't believe, for any sound reduction, more for their enjoyment. Once again, I can't say how beautiful this is. Rock selection. Sean does a lot of the selection of rocks. I love all this lichen and moss on these. So this homeowner got really lucky because it's some really cool looking rocks. I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.